industry nito is yung pagsali ko po sa Uniprisa. Wala pong experience nun, so I take the risk po. And nanalo naman po ako na I'm so thankful that I did that. And nung second pageant ko naman po is Binibining Fortune 2024. So, ginawa ko naman po yung best ko, but it's not my time, and I try to take the risks again. So, nung nanalo po ako sa Binibining Purokdos 2025, I'm so grateful and thankful that I did that for myself and to heal my inner child, because I love how people represent themselves to many people, and I joined in this big pageant. I'm so overwhelmed, but hindi siya halata. Super overwhelmed and kinakabahan po. And the difference po nito sa pagsabi ko ngayon sa mga experience ko doon is na-enhance po yung skills ko.